Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with
Megan.
Today we're going to do the drawing for the bag. All right. You ready? You want to hold it? You want me to hold it?
You hold it.
Okay, let's mix it up a
Wait,
little
I
bit.
was gonna draw.
Well, I'm going to mix it up before you...
Okay.
Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, here we go.
Here you go.
And the lucky winner is...
Stuck to somebody
Maybe
else.
next week we'll find out.
We're stuck to somebody else.
All right, who's the lucky winner? It is Shirley Self. You are the lucky winner. So email me your address and I will get this in the mail tomorrow.
On that airplane.
And I'm going to put you a little extra something in there. A mask that I made. Okay? So email me your address. Bye, everybody. Thanks for entering to win. I wish I could give more away, but I only had the one.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.